Top 8 amazing benefits of clove water and how to make it. Imagine a refreshing drink that not only quenches your thirst but also offers a range of health benefits. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that this drink actually exists? It is called clove water and it can improve your digestion, boost your immune system and even help alleviate pain. By infusing water with cloves you get a unique beverage packed with incredible health benefits. But what makes clove water so amazing? Let's take a closer look at its incredible benefits and discover how to make it at home. Number 1. It aids digestion. Clove water is a natural remedy used for centuries to soothe the digestive system. It is made by steeping cloves in hot water which releases eugenol, a compound found in cloves that has some pretty impressive health benefits. When you drink clove water, eugenol stimulates the production of digestive enzymes essential for breaking down food and absorbing all those important nutrients. Clove water also has a natural anti-inflammatory effect which reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. This can be especially helpful for those with gut issues like IBS or IBD, and the best part is, you can make clove water right in your own kitchen. It's like having your own DIY digestive tonic. Number 2. Boosts immunity. If you're tired of getting sick all the time, maybe it's time to try something new like clove water. So how does it work? Well, cloves are packed with antioxidants which help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness, but with clove water you are getting a healthy dose of antioxidants with every sip, giving your immune system the support it needs. Also, eugenol and clove water increases the activity of white blood cells. These cells fight off infections and keep you healthy. So if you want to give your immune system a little extra love, try clove water. Number 3. It relieves pain. Clove water is a natural pain reliever that has been used for centuries. When you drink it, the active ingredient eugenol is absorbed into your bloodstream and carried to the site of pain or inflammation. There, it inhibits the production of inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes which cause pain and inflammation. But that's not all. Clove water also stimulates blood circulation which alleviates pain by delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the affected area. This improved circulation also reduces inflammation and swelling, making it a useful remedy for conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and the warming and soothing effect of clove water relaxes muscles and relieves tension. This makes it an excellent choice for those who suffer from tension, headaches, or other stress-related pain. Number 4. It regulates blood sugar levels. Cloves contain compounds that improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for regulating blood sugar levels. The best part is, it does not taste like medicine. It has a warm and spicy flavor that adds a little kick to your day. However, it is a great alternative to sugary drinks that can cause blood sugar spikes. I know this all sounds too perfect to actually be true, but don't take my word for it. Number 5. Improves liver function. You know that feeling when you're trying to get a job done but everything seems to be working against you? Well, imagine that's how your liver feels when it is overloaded with toxins and inflammation. But don't worry, clove water can give your liver the boost it needs to get the job done. Clove water contains a variety of compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. When you drink clove water, these compounds are absorbed into your bloodstream and transported to your liver where they get to work. They reduce inflammation, neutralize harmful toxins, and even stimulate the production of liver enzymes essential for the liver's detoxification process. We've made it halfway through our list and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 6. Supports oral health. Clove water is a natural and refreshing way to give your oral hygiene routine a little boost. Now I know I have already mentioned eugenol a few times, but it really is the star of the show when it comes to clove water. This compound has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties which makes it effective against harmful bacteria and reduces inflammation in the mouth. Eugenol is also a natural anesthetic. It numbs any pain or discomfort you might be feeling in your mouth, and let's not forget about the breath freshening. We have all been in that awkward situation where we're trying to have a conversation with someone who has bad breath and it is not pleasant. Clove water freshens your breath by killing odor causing bacteria in the mouth. Just be sure to brush your teeth and floss regularly because clove water is not a substitute for good oral hygiene practices. Number 7. Promotes respiratory health. Cloves contain compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the respiratory system, potentially improving lung function and reducing the risk of respiratory infections. Plus, sipping on some warm and tasty clove water can soothe sore throats and coughs, making it a refreshing alternative to traditional remedies. Number 8. Natural energy boost. Clove water is a natural caffeine-free and surprisingly delicious way to boost energy levels. The essential oils in clove like eugenol and acetyl-eugenol increase energy and alertness. They also improve blood circulation and oxygen supply to the brain, which helps you stay focused and productive throughout the day. If you are worried about getting enough vitamins and minerals to support your energy production, clove water has got you covered. It is rich in vitamin C, calcium, iron and all essential nutrients for keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. So forget about the energy drinks or questionable supplements and try clove water, and the best part is, you don't have to worry about any weird side effects or artificial ingredients. Cloves are natural, safe and comes with lots of other health benefits, so if you're looking to add a little spice to your life and your health, why not give clove water a try? Just add a few cloves to boiling water, let it steep for a few minutes. Strain and voila, you've got yourself some clove water. If you want to make your clove water taste even better, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a bit of honey to give it a sweet and tangy flavor that complements the spice of the cloves. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos, and don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.